Guess what? Have I got the property for you? Did you know that you can get into a multi-unit property with only 3.5% down? Well, wait till you see this. Hi, I'm Katrina Carter, broker associate with eXp Realty. Let's take a look. This property features 3 units, a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. This triplex has a weather-resistant stucco exterior, floor and wall furnaces for year-round comfort, and 2 parking spaces. Conveniently located, you'll just be a short drive or walk away from multiple cafes, restaurant, and a supermarket in the Laurel Shopping District. And remember, when you think multi-units, think Katrina. Don't miss out on this amazing investment opportunity. Contact me today to view this property.